All you gotta do is duck your head a little bit. But yeah, I'm very impressed. Now we gotta redo our solar system. But yeah, I'm very impressed. We're gonna move our picnic table, put it under here, which is right over there. So clean this whole deck up, make it look really nice. Hey guys, today we are reviewing the pop-up tent canvas area. What's nice about the bag, that it comes with rollers, which you can freely roll it, as well as storage. Makes it nice for carrying along, so you don't have to actually physically carry it. But if you want, you can, because it's got two straps for easy carrying. And this is what it looks like right out of the bag. Everything is already put together. We're gonna go ahead and set it up and show you guys how it actually works and if it's anything difficult. So as you're lifting this piece up, I put my foot down on the little black plastic because it seems to be the best way to hold it. And then I lift up until it pops into place into the opening right here. And you do that for all four corners. As you can see, it's very big. Probably before you lift the legs up completely high, you probably want to put the side, over here, the sides down, unless you're keeping it open. It's actually not that hard so far. The corners, you can kind of see how the tarp goes, and each one would go in its own corner. So far, I'm actually very impressed. It's actually very easy to set up. We looked at our directions once just to see when we put the cover on. So overall, I'm very impressed with it, and I can't wait to see how high we can actually go with it. For the height, you just simply put your foot down, lift it up until this clicks in place for the height. Okay, I'm 5'9". As you can see, as I'm walking near the edge, my head touches right at the edge here. I don't know if that's as high as we can go, but in the center, as you guys can see, easily don't touch at all. I definitely do like this a lot. We're gonna move our picnic table under here. This is gonna be a great place I can do reviews and stuff when it's nice out, but not be sweating like I am from the sun. Yeah, this is awesome. I really like this so far. Now for the next part, what you do is you take these straps and you put it around. We're gonna put it around the posts here and go from there, my friends. And this is the final verdict. Now we're gonna clean all this stuff up. We're gonna move it over and make this really cool. But overall, I'm very pleased, very happy with it. Gonna have to move our solar panels and do all that stuff, but it's definitely very nice. Now, you definitely wanna stake it into the ground, or if you're using it on a deck like we are, you can bolt it through the deck. But again, very nice. Probably one of the easiest tents or canvas covers that I've ever set up. 100% the easiest. I mean, this was a breeze. This company is definitely on my top list of companies I'll deal with again. The quality and everything, I'm just super impressed.